Hello all, this is Nikum. So welcome to Airport of India final preparation strategy for last 9 to 10 days. So I hope that you are doing preparation in full mode. Okay. So those who didn't complete their syllabus, so don't need to worry because now this video is for you. So lots of things are happening on the group also. There's lots of chatter there that someone is just quitting the preparation because syllabus is not completed and all those things are there. Okay, but see, someone's and also some students are discussing about cutoff, which is very foolish thing which you will do in this crucial 9 to 10 days. Okay, so you don't need to think anything and just you need to think how you will do this 9 to 10 days more efficient. Okay, so this is very important for you. So now in this video only I will discuss with you all the things, and definitely in the last of video you will get the confidence that yes, you can still have the hopes, you can still crack the exam, and you can still make it to become ATC officer. Okay, ATC or your officer. So now what is the challenges and problem in these last days are very important. First, to identify that the major portion, major public are there, both syllabus is not complete, right? Both syllabus is not complete, so they are worried. Then second, that where you should practice the questions now. Okay, so question bank, I will tell you from where you will get the question bank on all these things. Then whether you make your short notes which consist of your formulas, all the physics formula, mathematics formula, your quant reasoning, okay, whatever subjects are there are not with you, right? And then how you can quick revise the most important concepts. So now we will see one by one. So let's start with our syllabus. So I will discuss with you first syllabus of physics. Okay, so in physics what you can do now. See, those who already completed the syllabus according to our strategy video which I give you 3 months ago. Okay, 3 months ago I give you all the things, that detailed syllabus strategy I give you. So those, just check that whether you complete this topic or not. Okay, and those who are not complete their syllabus fully in this 9 to 10 days, just check whether these topics which I will write now here are you can complete or not. Okay, so these are very important. So first topic, you will start with your motion. Okay, so motion you will do, and in these laws of motion and all these things are there, projectile motion. Okay, all the things are you can do. Then you have to do work, energy and force. So work, energy and forces. Okay, also friction you will do, friction. Okay, then the next topic you will do is your waves and sound, very important topic, waves and sound. Okay, then thermodynamics is there, thermodynamics, so this thing you have to do compulsory. Then your modern physics, some concept you can do. I will tell you this also, that from where you should read. Okay, quickly. So just for now note down the topics, that modern physics, then the relativity is there. Okay, relativity is there. Then you can here you can do electricity also, electricity in land waves. Okay, waves are there, so waves and I already write here. And if you want, then electrostatics, electrostatic, magnetostatic you have to do. Okay, you have to do. And optics is there, optics. So these are the important subject, or sorry, topics in this 9 to 10 days you should focus more of, if I consider for physics. Okay, because maximum weightage these topics have in your physics. Now sir, from where we can read this? So the best way to read this, if you don't have any notes, if you didn't join anywhere, okay, then you can read from NCERT book of 11th and 12th. Now obviously you don't have time to read completely, but you can read just definition, okay, important formulas, and some points which are important for you. Okay, key points, I can say key points. You can also check the examples which are solved in NCERT. Okay, or for the particular chapter you can also do that. Okay, so this is enough for you. Now for the practice portion I will tell everything at once. Okay, so this is for physics. Now the next thing is your mathematics, very important again. I hope you know the weightage also, that total marks also. So in maths you will start always with calculus. Okay, no option in that. And in calculus I am considering limits also, your maximum minima also, integration, differentiation, all these things I will consider in calculus. Okay, then maximum minima, obviously that this also you can consider in calculus. So maximum minima is there. Then your differential equations are there, very important. Okay, linear algebra, determinants and your matrices. So linear algebra, these are. Then your what you can say, the more topics are here, that vector. Okay, very important topic is your vector analysis. Then after vector you can do your complex variable analysis. Okay, so complex variables also you can do. So this is the important syllabus for map, and obviously APGP is there, APGP. Okay, series you can do, series which are very important for you. Sets, relation and function, I will tell that when once you complete with this, then you can do set, relation and function. Okay, so I will not think that they will ask, if they ask then hardly one question they will get. Okay, so we, after completion of this, focus on set, relation function. So in this 9 to 10 days, okay, I am talking in respect to 9 to 10 days, that's it. So you can complete this topic thoroughly, which are very important for you. Again, you can practice from your NCERT only. Okay, that is enough, and whatever the question bank I will give you now, then from that you have to practice. Okay, that question bank is not our test series only. I will tell you how to use the test series also, don't worry. For English, how you can do now? See, if you following me from the last 3 months, then in the strategy video that I uploaded 3 months ago, I divided your syllabus, okay, into two groups, that is group A and group B. In group A we have physics, mathematics and English, which carries your 80 marks, and in group B we have quant, reasoning and your GA/GK, which carries your 40 marks. Okay, so from here our target was to score 60 above marks, and from here our target was to score 25 plus marks. I hope you remember this. Okay, so now we will discuss about English, which carries your 20 marks, which is also highest weightage. So 20 marks. So for 20 marks, obviously grammar is very important. Okay, grammar is very important. So you can take any book that have good concept of grammar. Okay, I hope to did with this English. And for practice questions, if those who are QBox user, definitely you will solve quizzes in the QBox. Okay, that is enough, lots of quizzes are there. So just target daily 10 quizzes. Okay, 10 quiz into 10 questions means 100 questions you can do in 10 days, or I can say 9 days. Also in test series, non-tech practice session is there, you can do also that. Okay, so this is enough for this English. And also on our Telegram group, okay, that is our Telegram group, I uploaded PDF, that is name is AI synonym antonym. So from this PDF, just make sure you will revise before the exam all the synonym antonym that this PDF consists of. Okay, so just make sure you will revise. So just revise this PDF in the file section. Okay, I uploaded I guess on Thursday or Friday something. In file section you will get this thing. Okay, for this GAGK also I uploaded AI general awareness. Okay, general awareness PDF, and AI last 6 month current affairs, which are very important. Okay, last 6 month current affairs. So these three PDFs I uploaded already on our Telegram in the file section, so you will go and check there. Okay, now so this is about your English. Now let's come to your reasoning part, which carries your 15 marks. Okay, now in reasoning, basically your important topics are your blood relation. Okay, fixed question, I am writing now fixed question you will get from here. Then direction test. Okay, then you have DI also. Obviously in DI quant topic are required as your percentage, average and your ratio. Okay, from that only they will give you DI. Okay, then after DI you have coding, decoding, number series, very important, number series. If you want, okay, those who complete the syllabus already, they can solve puzzle also for safety side, because if they change little pattern, then definitely you will get puzzle also. Okay, but those who didn't complete the syllabus and want to tackle in this 10 to 9 days effectively AI exam, those need to touch this puzzle part, because obviously it is not guaranteed that you can attempt this puzzle in your exam also. Okay, this is not guaranteed, so do you guys don't touch it. Those who complete the syllabus also practice the puzzle, 1 to 2 puzzles. Okay, that's enough. Okay, next syllabus, in syllabus of reasoning we have analytical part, so you can do analytical reasoning part. Non-verbal also there. Okay, non-verbal reasoning also there. I don't think they will ask the questions, but still if they ask, then one question they can ask. Okay, from mirror image, your water image, those are easy questions, that you are missing figure and all this. Okay, so analytical reasoning is very crucial, so I will put star mark here. Blood relation direction test, also you have dictionary, words. Okay, words logic, analogy is there, analogy, words logic, numbers logic, all the logic question you can get. Okay, So these are very important and fixed questions for your reasoning part in your exam. Now about quant. So in quant, obviously percentage, ratio, average. Without this, obviously we can't start anything. Okay. So percentage, ratio, and average you should know. Then your profit loss, profit discount, your time, speed, and distance. Okay. Then SICI you can do. These are important. Then your boat and stream, pipe system you can do. Okay. Then obviously here you have, now see here trigonometry, you don't require trigonometry, but obviously because in mathematics you are doing that. Okay, in mathematics you are doing that, so I guess I forget to mention trigonometry in mathematics, so also mention trigonometry in mathematics or in quant. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, next is your number system is there. Okay, so number system also you can do. Okay, then you have mensuration 2D 3D. I don't think they will ask, but still if you want, then you can just do the formulas of all the diagrams we have here. Okay, all the figures you can do. So this is enough for your con portion. So from this only you will get the questions. Okay, so in 9 to 10 days you can do perfectly these topics which are very important. So this is the important topic for your AITC. So just make sure in this 9 to 10 days you will do all these topics that I mentioned. Okay, and once suppose if you complete this all the topic in suppose 5 to 6 days, then in the remaining days you can complete the remaining topics that are not very important, but still you have to do. Okay, and that remaining topic list you will get in our playlist that I already mentioned, that before 3 months I give already all the detailed topics for AI. So from there you will get the things. Okay, so full playlist is ready in Hindi and English also, so you can refer that. But first finish all this topic that I mentioned here. Now you will ask me for the current affairs. So now if you didn't prepare the current affair, and if you want specifically for this 9 to 10 minutes, okay, just make sure you will read last 6 months at least. Last 6 months at least you will read. Okay, you can take the magazine. You can take the magazine also. There is no issue in that. Okay, so you can do that from here. Now the important thing is that after doing all this thing, after remembering formula, after remaining the reading the theory, now from which source, okay, you should practice the questions. This is your test series. Okay, now see here alert mark is there because the thing is that obviously this is your question bank for your ATC exam also, but you will not do like you will directly submit the test and you will solve the questions. No, you have to give test series. Okay, the purpose of test series is you have to sit for 2 hours continuously so that you can train your mind for this scenario. Okay, so that's why it is very important to practice like this, because in one setting you will give the test. Okay, for some reason I am assuming you are not able to give all the 6 tests because we have 6 full length tests. Okay, 6 full length tests we have and 4 non-tech practice tests we have for non-tech portion. So obviously you can give this, but out of this minimum, I am telling you minimum 3 tests you should give with timer, that is with time 2 hours. Okay, and the remaining 3 tests you can do directly, you can submit and you can check the question for practice. Okay, question. So like this you can do, but if you do for 6 tests with timer, then definitely it will be benefit you in the exam, and definitely it will increase your confidence also. Okay, because in this 9 to 10 days you need to increase your confidence, not decrease it by thinking about cutoff and all these things. Okay, obviously this will hamper your confidence, and once your confidence is down, then definitely your whatever the level of your preparation, you will definitely fail in ATC. That is for sure. That is for sure. That's why it is very important to maintain or to increase the confidence day by day. Okay, that's why I told you that sit like this, compulsory sit for 2 hours and give the test, then you can analyze and then you can check the question. Obviously questions are with you till your exam day. Okay, now this is the question bank for your ATC exam. So for physics we have a 180 question in 6 tests. Okay, mathematics 180, quant 110, reasoning 110 because 4 non-tech tests is also there, English 140 and GAGK 80. Okay, if you combine this with our PDF of AI, English, your general awareness, current affair, and plus if you are Qbox user, okay, then definitely no one can stop you. Just practice from this, read concept from NCERT or whatever the notes you have, and this will definitely effective way to spend your 9 to 10 days. Okay, so in last, one thing I will tell you only. Okay, whatever the your preparation level or preparation completion, only one thing I will tell: without trying, don't lose the hope. Okay, you will only regret later after exam. Suppose they frame very easy question, then, and suppose they frame all the paper from this video only, then, okay, so there is a probability Okay, just not do not only study this, you can apply in your life also. So there is a probability that paper will be easy also, obviously hard also, and you will get the questions or topics, okay, topics from our question bank that have maximum chances, because it now the 180 questions are there for physics mathematics. So I don't think, because I all the concepts are covered here, okay, which are very important for you. So I don't think that any other thing you will require. So just for this 9 to 10 days, this is perfect too, okay. Also with calm mind you can do the things, okay. So it is also important to do calm mind. It is not like you will solve 100 questions, 1000 questions, okay. Obviously this is not practical. It will only increase pressure on you. It will increase only pressure on you, okay. So this is very important for you. So that's why we just do your best for this 9 to 10 days, okay. Whatever the result, whatever the cutoff, don't think any, just turn off everything, okay. Our Telegram group is already focused, but if you think, then just one time you can see our Telegram group, okay. Or you can directly join Apna Government Job Telegram group, where you will only get all the important update related to exam, okay. No need to there is no chat option is enabled. So if you want that, then you can join this. If you want to chat, if you want to ask doubt, then also you can join our AI 2020, okay. So don't yeah, participate in such discussions or such irrelevant things, okay. I'm telling you, just focus on this 9 to 10 days. Just follow whatever I told you in this video, okay. This test series is very important for you, and it is now for 249 rupees for you guys. So in the description you will get the link, so just join that, okay, and start giving tests from tomorrow. Then revise, then again test, revise, again test, repeat this cycle in till 9 to 10 days, and definitely there are lots of chances that you will make better, and there are lots of chances you will become ATC officer, okay, and you will get this mini ratna. So yes, so this is all about your ATC exam, and this is the final video for that, okay. So if you want anything else, if you think anything is missing, you can comment down below, because lots of things are there, okay. I can't remember that much. So whatever I can remember, I told you already. If you think still some points are missing, then definitely comment, we can discuss in comment section. Also join our Telegram group, okay. Read that PDF, all the things are there, just read that. Definitely you will do your best, okay. So all the best for your ATC exam 2021 on 25-26. After that we will discuss everything, but for now just focus on exam days only, okay. All the best.